Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having today, and we are not having any high impact news and medium impact news into the market. Rather, all of the news are low impact news. So I'm not anticipating any high volatile or high spread areas into the chart today. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from the strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the market. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this level over here, where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So, currently, what do we have here is the price is sweeping the highs and lows of the market, and we are within this monthly candle. So, nothing is pretty much clear in monthly levels. So, now for a detailed bias, let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is we are having this unmitigated wick into the market. So maybe in future, if we are going to come into the downward direction, most likely we are going to react from this area. So currently what do we have is the price swept the low of the candle over here, this candle, and moved into the upside direction. What do we have here is we are having this strong high into the market. So if we are going to go into the downward direction, most likely we are going to have a reaction from this unmitigated wick over here. And we have seen that there is some kind of momentum loss into the market since the wicks into the upside direction are forming. So currently we are within this candle of the previous week. So let's move to the dailies for a detailed picture. So now this is the daily chart, and what do we have here is that the price was sweeping the highs, and this is a strong high even according to the dailies. So the price is in between this big candle, and we are into the sideways zone into even dailies. So now for a clear picture, let's move to the 4 hours. So now this is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have is that the price was reacting from this order flow over here and moved into the upside direction. So if we are going to have a close below this structure, most likely we are going to move into the downward direction, and I have marked this structure over here, and most likely we are going to mitigate this order block or candle over here. And why only this candle? Because this structure was broken by this candle. This was actually in confluence with the previous structure. So what do we have just above this candle is we are having equal lows into the market. So I'm anticipating the price to have a close below it and then move into the downward direction to this candle over here. So for a precise picture, let's move to the 1 hours. Now this is the 1 hour chart, and we can clearly see that this is London and New York zone of previous day. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction, take all these equal lows and give a close below it. So if we are going to have a close with an FVG into the 15 minutes or 30 minutes, most likely I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction till this point over here. Else, if we are not going to have a close and we are going to violate the strong high, that is this current high of Asia with a body close, most likely we are going to move into the upside direction towards these kind of liquidities. So for a precise picture, let's move to the 30 minutes. Now this is the 30-minute chart, and what do we have is that we are having this order flow being maintained by the market. So if most likely we are going to go into the downward direction, the price is going to break this order flow and give a close below it. and then we are going to see a downside move, and I'll be expecting the market to take this low. So how will this be? So I'm anticipating the price to respect this strong high, this strong high, and then move into the downward direction. Else we can even sweep the Asia high twice, and I mean twice in sense that we are going to sweep the Asia high and then move into the downward direction. So the scenario right now is I'm anticipating the price to break below this structure with a candle close into the 15 minutes or 30 minutes, having an FVG along with it. So this is pretty much it. Let's move to the questions round now. So the question for today is, which of the following trading strategies typically aims for profit from short-term price movements and relies heavily on technical analysis? So the first option is swing trading, the second option is arbitrage trading, and the third option is buy and hold investing. So write the correct option into the comments, and if you are having any detailed explanation of it, put that into the comment, and I'll be liking and pinning that comment for other peoples to know what is the right answer. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.